Have you ever stood at the edge of a dream and asked, what if I step in? We didn't plan to move to France. We simply asked, what if? What if life could be slower, richer, more magical? During the quiet of the pandemic, we took stock. We'd traveled, worked, hosted, dreamed. But something was missing. Space to create, to live with ceremony. France had always whispered to me, through college, friendships, and market mornings in Uzès. For Marlon, it was one bite of an apple in a medieval abbey. This is what an apple is supposed to taste like. What began as a curiosity became a calling. From browsing listings to crossing oceans, to standing in the gravel of a petite chateau in Roanne. Welcome to Chateau Depierre, a place of stories, rituals, and renewal, where guests are welcomed with warmth and culinary classes stir memory into every bite. And once you've been, you belong to its story.